Oh my gosh, is 2018 like gone for real? Hi, my name is Clarinda, aka Farmer Cee, and I'm so glad that you found my channel, and I really hope that you subscribe. I talk about a lot of things on my channel. I can't say that I can fit into any specific category. I mostly talk about career advancement. I talk about green living, which includes things like thrifting and upcycling and making things from things you already have. I talk a lot about our hemp farm. My husband and I co-founded a hemp farm, and we've been all over the news, and I'm actually the 2019 face for the National Hemp History Week campaign, so that's pretty big. I talk about being a wife, being a mother, being a 43-year-old grandmother. I was a two-time teenage mom, and now I am so fortunate to have 3 beautiful grandchildren that I absolutely adore. I'm sort of like a cyber best friend, I guess you could say. If any of that sounds like something that you feel you can get with, you can vibe with, then yes, please subscribe. I'd love, love, love to connect with you. I love meeting new people, and I look forward to connecting with you on my channel. Bye.